Last month, we brought in over $3.6 million in revenue, selling 3 different types of products. So here are 3 products that can make considerably more than $10K per month.
Joining us is my man, Keala Kanae.
Keala Kanae, he takes entrepreneurs on a journey to grow their business.
Here's 3 different types of products that we sell every day in my online business. And hang with me all the way up until the very end, because the 3rd type of product that I'll cover is perfect even if you're a total beginner. The first type of product is online courses, which is inside of the e-learning market, by the way, which was valued at over $198 billion in 2022 alone, and is poised to be worth over $600 billion by 2030. So this is in a massively booming industry. And this is perfect for somebody who's an expert at something or who has learned a particular set of skills that anybody else would want to learn. And you don't really have to overthink this, by the way. I've seen online courses for anything from how to raise a betta fish, how to solve a Rubik's Cube, even how to do handstands. My cameraman, Sam, is actually launching a course on blow-up dolls.
This business is gonna pop.
So hard to find good help these days. Anyway, right up here in the corner, I'm gonna put up a screenshot of my daily dashboard. This is a spreadsheet that I use to manage the day-to-day of my business. And you'll wanna pay attention to this column where we're tracking our online course sales. You can see that this month we did $470,000 in sales of simply online courses, considerably more than $10K a month. The second type of product is online coaching. People will pay for proximity. In other words, they will pay to get close to the person that's going to help them solve their problem. A good example of this is recently I signed up to work with a company called Biohacks, and I paid $5,000 additional dollars in my onboarding just to speak directly with the doctor that founded the company. Now, there's a few what you might call layers when it comes to proximity in the online coaching space. As an example, the first layer would be large group coaching. Sometimes we'll do webinars or virtual summits where thousands of people are on live, and people will pay a premium to have that live component. The second layer might be small group coaching. This is essentially the same thing except delivering the content to a smaller group of individuals. That way, the people inside of that coaching cohort can get some one-to-one attention if they need it. And of course, the third layer would be one-to-one coaching. This is where somebody is paying a premium to get the one-to-one attention that they want from an expert. Let's go ahead and throw up my daily dashboard again, and this time you'll want to pay attention to this column here. This is where we track the day-to-day sales of our online coaching. You can see that this month we did over $2.2 million of sales. That's people who bought our online courses and then decided to upgrade to one of our coaching packages. The third type of product is affiliate products, and this is perfect for beginners because this means that you don't have to create any of your own products or services. Instead, you sell somebody else's existing products or services and earn a commission for doing so. Let's throw that daily dashboard back up there on the screen. Now here in this column, this is where we track our regular day-to-day sales of affiliate products that we promote to our audience. You can see right down there at the bottom, we did over $315,000 this month in commissions selling affiliate products. But wait, it gets better. Let's scroll over just a few columns, and here you can see that we are tracking the sales that came in from doing a promotion to our audience of somebody else's online course. And in 4 days, we brought in $524,000 of additional sales. That means in this month, we did $840,000 selling somebody else's products or services. Again, considerably over the $10K a month. So listen, I just covered 3 different types of products that somebody can sell online and earn considerably more than $10K per month. I hope you got value out of this video, and if so, make sure that you click that subscribe button and hit that little bell notification too so that you get notified every week when I drop more content like this. And in case we've never met before, my name is Keala Kanae. I'm an entrepreneur that got started while working in a coffee shop like this, and I've gone on now to earn over $100 million in my online business. I say that so that you know that everything that I share on my channel comes from the real world knowledge of things that I've learned and applied to get those results. And I share them here in hopes that they help you create similar results as well. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that little bell notification so you get notified every week, and watch this next video in the lineup where I'm going to go much deeper on these online business strategies.